Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Safari and loading the page you want in Favorites. Make sure the Favorites area is visible in your bookmarks or on the Favorites bar. You'll need a destination. On iPhone or iPad, locate the share icon at the bottom or top of the screen. Once that's ready, move directly to the Share menu. Don't add bookmarks elsewhere. This sets up the exact location so the next action places the tab into Favorites, not a generic bookmarks list. You now use the Share option to add the Open tab to Favorites. On a Mac, click the Share menu or choose File, right arrow Share, then pick Add to Favorites. On iPhone/iPad, tap Share and select Add to Favorites. Make sure you pick Favorites exactly. Add bookmark or reading list stores the page elsewhere. Edit the title if needed so it's recognizable, choose the Favorites folder as the destination, and confirm Save. Once done, the tab appears in your Favorites section for one-click access. Finish by verifying the entry appears where you expect it. Open the Favorites bar or sidebar and locate the saved page. You should see the title or icon. If it's missing, make sure you actually save to the Favorites folder, not bookmarks or reading list, and rename it if it's hidden by a long title. If problems persist, restart Safari or toggle Favorites visibility in View or Settings to force a refresh. That usually resolves display hiccups and restores your newly added favorite.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.